Many a times, we use I'm very hungry, I'm very tired, I'm very angry. So we use very as a supporting word for any sentence or any language or anything. So instead of very hungry, which other word will you use? I'm
I'm
very hungry.
starving. I'm
I'm starving.
starving.
Very good. I'm very angry.
I'm furious.
I'm furious. Very good. I'm very weak after my illness. I'm very weak. I have become very weak. Yeah, I have become very weak after my illness.
I don't know about it.
Have you heard a word called frail? F R
Frail.
A I L. Yeah, Frail. Frail.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
Then you need to write it. You have the luxury of your recordings. You can always
Hmm.
go back and see it, right? Free.
Yes, ma'am.
Then it is
Frail.
quite very colorful. Jodhpur is very
Vibrant.
colorful, very
Hmm.
vibrant, good, vibrant. Then write in very short, write a
Hmm.
very short paragraph about yourself.
Hmm. I have no idea.
Briefly,
Uh,
briefly, briefly.
briefly. Okay.
Briefly,
Briefly.
yeah. You must have heard of this word. It's a
Hmm.
very
Yes,
common,
ma'am.
briefly, yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
Then she's very shy. She's very shy.
Introvert.
Introvert, one, yes.
Hmm.
Have you heard of a
Introvert
word
or
called timid?
yes. Yeah, timid.
Timid,
Yes,
timid,
ma'am.
huh? Then it's very calm here. It's very, very calm.
Serene.
The atmosphere, serene. Very good. Very fast.
Rapid.
Yeah, shabash. Very good. Good
Rapid.
show. Good show. So all these exercises, there's one another one. We still have time. There's one another one. Shruti. Shruti, if you need to describe yourself as a person, how will you describe it within in a word or two? In a word or
Hmm.
two. Shruti as a person.
Empathetic
How is okay?
and focused.
Focused. Okay, very good. But if I tell you to be more specific, those two words should start with S. So which are those adjectives which you will give it to yourself?
Start with S.
Because your name starts with S.
Okay. As uh, ma'am, no idea.
So
S.
think about it. You don't need to give the answers just now. So how this exercise goes is that you write down 10, 12 names of your family members, friends, anywhere. So write down 10, 20 names and you try to find out the correct adjectives which will describe them the best,
Hmm.
right? So
Okay.
Shruti, smiling Shruti, sober Shruti, um,
Hmm.
no, then you can write smart Shruti. So all these are the adjectives which you are giving it to yourself. So that way, write down 10 names and try to find out the correct adjective which will go with them. I mean, with their names
Okay.
or
Hmm.
with their characters or with their traits, whatever you want to say. So what happens is you have 20, 40 new words with yourself and you
Yeah,
will
right, ma'am.
always remember them because you have created them and you have it in your word bank. So
Hmm.
whenever you will think about a person, you will come up with a new word because you have thought about it, you have written it down, and it will always stay with you. So all these are the methods in which you work, keep on working on your vocabulary,
Yes, ma'am.
right?